How to take out watch links. I will take these two out. Ensure you push from the opposite side of the pins. Put your watch in the push pin device. Align the push pin with the smooth side of the pin on your watch. Apply pressure until the pin pops out. Set a side pin. Repeat process for the next pin. Line up links and push the pin back in. Ensure the pin is fully engaged. Shake test. Perfect fit. Now the satisfying part. Peeling the protective sticker. Now wear your watch and enjoy. Slow motion. Please consider liking and subscribing.